So a lot of us from the Yamasee Nation. A lot of us from what is called the Washita Nation. As you move toward the west, Midwest, in the southern region, you know, you got the Washita Nation, you know, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, that whole swap they call the Louisiana Basin or the Louisiana Purchase. That was our land. So all that area, the Washita area. You go further over to Cali, that's, you know, that's Califians. People don't hardly realize or know, because we go into these folk schools, our own history. California is the land of the Califians. And all these folks I'm talking about is black tribes and nations that was here before white folks got here. This is who we are. So the Califians fought these folks until the 1890s. So if you study a little bit, you'll find that. They selling Queen Califia juice all over the place. Queen Califia on the damn juice bottle. Our history right in our face. We don't realize it. So close we can't see it, like the forest for the trees thing. But, okay, so what I'm really saying is that, see, you are Americans. We are Americans. And not U.S. citizens. So you must know who you are, because these two statuses have two different sets of rights or privileges and obligations. So when you don't know who you are, you don't access the value that you have being in your own house. This your house. So that's what I'm really trying to tie you to let you know. This your house, America. We ain't all been stole from somewhere else, brung here as slaves, you know, and worked, and now we free and think we exiled in the land not our own. This is our house. So when you are in your house have value. So I want to show you how you got value today. So knowing now that this is your land, you do a little research, you'll see you came from here, more than likely, down south somewhere. Big mama them brung you up here. You came up here trying to work, looking for jobs and shit, and they tricked us into the game of the cities, corporate takeover, which is what's really going on. So knowing that you're an American, that means that puts you in a whole nother status than being a U.S. citizen. The box we always check when they throw a document in our face. You never see American on the damn document, or you know, that you're gonna fill out, check the box. It's never there. They don't want you to know that's what you really are. See, this is the land of the free and home of the brave. A brave is a young Indian, a young indigenous male, you know, that went through initiation. You know, this is your house. They tell you in our, and they sing about us. They sing about us, they talk about us, but we never recognize that this is who we are. So, after slavery, they ran a game on us. The game was being played before slavery with the original Constitution. Now, the original Constitution of 1780